Welcome to the session number 7 from the playlist of JEE Advanced Part 1. The topic for the today's session is dimension analysis, and today I have taken one question which was asked in the IIT-JEE Advanced paper in the year 2018. So in this question, E enclosed in the bracket and B which is enclosed in this bracket, this stands for the dimension of electric and the magnetic field respectively, while epsilon naught in the bracket and mu naught in the bracket stands for the dimension of permittivity of free space and the permeability of free space. This L in bracket and T in bracket are the dimensions of length and time respectively. All the quantities here are given in SI units. So the relation between mu naught and epsilon naught is, so we have given here 4 options here. So now this question is a very easy question here, and it can be solved in 3-4 steps. So we know that there is a relation between epsilon naught and this mu naught, and it is given by C is equal to 1 upon under root of mu naught epsilon naught. And so where C is the velocity of the light. So if I just square this one, this equation I will be getting as 1 upon C square will be equal to 1 upon mu naught epsilon naught, and from here this mu naught can be written as 1 upon C square epsilon naught. Now, as per the principle of homogeneity, the dimensions of an equation is considered to be true and homogeneous only when the dimensions of all the terms on the left hand side of the equation is equal to the dimensions of all the terms on the right hand side of the equation. So using this principle of homogeneity, I can write that the dimension of mu naught should be equal to the dimension of this velocity of light and the this dimension of this epsilon naught, which is the permittivity of free space. So from here the dimension of mu naught will be equal to, see here the dimension we have been given that the dimension of this epsilon naught is given by this that is epsilon naught, which is enclosed in brackets. So I can write this as epsilon naught, and since this is in the denominator, this will be equal to -1 in the numerator. Now the dimension of the speed of light, this is equal to L1 T minus 1. So if this is C square, so the dimension of C square will be equal to, if now since this is in the denominator, so in the numerator I will write this as L minus 2 T minus 2. So here from here by using the principle of homogeneity, we can say that mu naught will be equal to epsilon naught to the power -1, then L to the power -2 and T to the power -2. So from here I can get the correct option is D here. This is epsilon naught to the power -1, L to the power -2 and T to the power, sorry, this will be equal to T to the power 2, because here this T is -1. So here when I'm just bringing it up in this numerator, it will be equal to T to the power 2. So the correct option is the option number D. So in this question, the only thing which we were supposed to use was this equation of light, this equation, that is C is equal to 1 upon under root mu naught epsilon naught, and by using this equation and using the principle of homogeneity, we were able to find this option, that is this D option, which is the correct option. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session I will be continuing with the same topic, that is dimension analysis, and the chapter will remain the same, that is units and measurement. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.